To troubleshoot Bill4Time Xero integration, start by checking the connection between the two systems. Ensure that you have correctly set up the integration by following the initial setup instructions provided by Bill4Time and Xero. Verify that your login credentials are correct and that you have authorized the connection. Next, review the sync settings to confirm that the correct data is being synced between Bill4Time and Xero. Check the frequency of the sync and the types of data being transferred, such as invoices, payments, and clients. Make sure that the sync is set up to run automatically at regular intervals to prevent data discrepancies. If you encounter issues with syncing, check for any errors or notifications in Bill4Time or Xero. Look for clues such as failed sync attempts, missing data, or duplicate entries. Identify the specific data that is not syncing correctly and investigate the cause. Common issues with Bill4Time Xero integration include mismatched client or invoice numbers, incorrect accounting codes, or outdated software versions. To resolve these issues, update your software to the latest version and ensure that your accounting codes and client information are accurate and consistent across both systems. Another step is to check the mapping of accounts, taxes, and payment methods between Bill4Time and Xero. Ensure that the accounts are correctly mapped and that the tax rates and payment methods are consistent. If you find any discrepancies, update the mappings to reflect the correct information. Finally, test the integration by creating a new invoice or payment in Bill4Time and verifying that it syncs correctly with Xero. Check for any errors or discrepancies and make adjustments as needed. By following these steps, you can identify and resolve issues with your Bill4Time Xero integration and ensure seamless data transfer between the two systems. By regularly reviewing and maintaining your integration, you can prevent issues and ensure that your financial data is accurate and up to date. This will save you time and reduce the risk of errors, allowing you to focus on managing your business and providing excellent service to your clients.